Now I invite Honorable Minister for Finance, Planning, Commercial Taxes and Legislative Affairs, Sri Payyavala Kesav Garu, to please come forward and discuss about the fiscal policies of this vision.
Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Sri Subramanian Garu, and dignitaries, partners from Niti Aayog, and friends, Namaste. Today, we are not just launching a report. We are launching a new confidence in the future of Andhra Pradesh. The Visakhapatnam Economic Region Plan is a commitment to make the coastline, our people, our ideas, the driving force of a new development chapter. Visakhapatnam and the surrounding districts have always been special. A place where industry meets culture, the talent meets opportunity, and where the sea opens the doors to the world. This plan captures the spirit and turns it into a structuring roadmap that the next generation, for the next generation. It tells us that growth is not something to wait for. It is something we can design, build, deliver with purpose. Our Chief Minister has given us a clear mission to create a model of development that blends economic strength with social responsibility. This plan follows that vision. It focuses on manufacturing, technology, agriculture, tourism, health, and a planned urbanization. Not as an isolated sectors, but as pillars of future-ready economy. Each pillar strengthens the others, creating a region that is balanced, competitive, and full of opportunities. A major shift is happening today. The wave is the way we govern. We are moving from soiled thinking to the coordinated action. A unified authority for the region, strengthened institutions, and digital monitoring, streamlined decision making. These are not administrative reforms, they are confidence reforms. They assure the investors that Andhra Pradesh is serious about execution. And they assure the citizens that the development will reach them without delay or confusion. But the most important part of this entire effort is our people. An economy grows only when its people grow. Through modern training programs, district level action teams, renowned focus on skills, we are preparing our youth to take charge of opportunities that this region will create. Whether it is technology, logistics, hospitality, healthcare, entrepreneurship, the aim is to ensure that every young person finds a place in this story of Andhra Pradesh. We are also building a new financial mindset, one that is green, transparent, and impact driven. When the government investment is planned wisely and focused on long-term value, it attracts far greater private investments, creating private jobs and more jobs. Innovation, prosperity across the region. This is how Andhra Pradesh will compete with the world, not by spending more, but by investing smarter. Friends, Visakhapatnam is ready for takeoff. It is already known as the city of destiny, but with this plan it becomes the city of direction, showing how a region can grow with ambition, discipline, and compassion. This is not just about transforming economic region. It is about transforming aspirations, livelihoods, and everyday life of millions of people. I congratulate our planning department, VMRDA, Niti Aayog, and its partners for shaping this visionary work. Let's move forward together as partners in building a prosperous and globally connected Andhra Pradesh. Our goal is simple: growth that is fast, growth that is fair, and growth that every citizen can feel. Jai Hind, Jai Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.